Wherever you are, smile, breathe. And if you like, you can start standing up. Today we're gonna take it very free flow, using the sound to wake us up, to elevate,
know where good water source is.
and just be more dramatic.
Always master the skills necessary.
Keep your eyes closed, and I want your body to guide you which way.
Always know your place.
And I want you to
Always dislodge.
not have to care how you look, how you dance. I want you to care about how freaking amazing you are inside. I want you to bring that ecstatic feelings of life. It's 6 a.m. Saturday morning in the middle of Oman. How blessed we are. Feel. And just start making your way up to standing if you're not yet, and make any movements that you wish.
Always see your danger
Tap
first.
the body, just let the body know you are here. Whatever parts of you.
You always be ready for cold.
Yeah, do a little qigong, power up
Always know where
your
good water
kidneys,
source is.
and just massage whatever needed.
Always get the job done.
Feel.
Always know your place. Always dislodge. And always rest whenever you can.
Connect to your breath. And in life, there's 7 stages that I like to define. 7 stages of romance, of hobby, of whatever we're doing. And I want you to go on a mental journey now. Put a smile on your face. Be here right now. Express yourself. First stage, the romance. The romance for a new person. The romance for a new business idea. Find yourself where you are there now. Start moving more and more. Allow your mind to shut the fuck up and go deep inside of your body. The second stage is commitment. When we commit to that idea, when we decide that we're gonna take this thing on, when we sign the new documents, or even a marriage. Third stage, the broken grounds. The things that we did not see before. The P&L that was lying, the husband or wife that acts out after every little thing. That's when the mind starts kicking in. Feel. Fourth stage, ordeal. The long ass time, up and down. What did you do? Why did you do this? you. Me? I'm perfect. Moves us into the fifth stage, the collapse. That's when most people quit. When it's so hard for so long that we no longer can handle it. And we either move into the place of surrender or we simply quit. Surrender is the sixth stage, and that's where we are now. I want you to take the charge, the time to let everything go, to surrender whatever you are in life, and not to not care, but to accept it for what it is today, and then make a change. So we can go into the seventh stage, the true love, the true union, where it's about the personal growth, the you. So whatever you guys are, let's shake it off, up and down, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, tap it. And I have something special prepared for you. I want you to face somebody that's right next to you. So look them straight in front of them. Let's make a quick pair and group. And what we're gonna do, the ancient Maoris did this thing called Haka. What they did is they were nuts. They were showing how powerful and empowering charge they are. And I want you to guys do that before we go forward. I want you to find your scariest face, your most powerful sense of self. Because after that, we're just going. So everybody, go in front of you. Look at your partners. Scream out loud. Give me the power. Show them your warrior face. Show them your power. Give me more. Give me more. Okay, now. No, don't look at me. Look at the partner. Give it to them. Show it to them. Tap the flow. Power. Let go of anything. Everybody inhale, put your hands in the sky, and for the sky, for the power, for our night. Close your eyes again, and let's get centered, get focused. Make sure that you're not just bounded to your little mat. I want you to go forward on the beach. And we're gonna take this moment, take this time to let today start a little different. So let's go on the beach, let's go on the sand. Use this as an exercise, to let things go. 1, 2. Whatever you are, keep the inner journey going, keep your eyes closed. Let's feel.